Hello, this is Carrie for Redesign with Prima, and today I'm going to share with you a really fun Halloween upcycled project. I used some old bottles that I had, and I made them into luminaries. I decorated the bottles with art mediums, molds, and little lights fit inside the bottles. And these actually can be incorporated all year round, even for Christmas, spring, whatever you like. So this is just an idea, and here's what I did. Took my bottle and I covered it with our glass bead gel. You simply take your brush, dip it into the jar, and just dab it all over the bottle. It gives it a really cool textured frosted look. Next, I'm going to mix some clear epoxy resin and tint it with our ink black liquid acrylic paint. It just takes a few drops. This paint will make the resin black, but also transparent. And you want to make sure that you mix it really, really well. And the more drops you put in, the darker it will be. And then I began pouring it into our magnolia flower mold. These molds are highly detailed, and really any of our floral molds will work for this idea. I had leftover resin, so I also poured into gems and chains and wings and bone Finnabair mold. When I pull them out of the mold, you can see they're still somewhat pliable, which is what I want because I want them to curve around the bottle. And you can see how transparent they are, but they are still tinted. So that's the look I was going for. Next, I'm going to customize my molds with the Finnabair Metallique paints and Sparks paints. I'm going to start by painting the flowers. I use two different colors. I use the red wine and romance pink. And these two colors look really amazing blended together. You only need a thin layer, you don't need a lot. And I just do one coat. And you can see how it deepens that color, makes it more rich with that black showing through, which is really cool. Now, while the paint is still wet, I blend the two colors together. I use my Finnabair art brushes. They work so perfectly for this kind of technique and for adding these art mediums to anything. And they wash up beautifully. But these brushes really work well, and they do exactly what I want them to do. And you can see all those little details coming to life, and the two colors are blending together beautifully. The Metallique paints have a slight shimmer, so it adds a little bit of a unique look to the molds. I'm adding our Sparks paint to the chain. This is gold, and you can still see some of the black come through, but that's what I want. Next, I'm going to go for the leaves and stems. This is called golden moss. And again, I'm going to do the same sort of technique I do with the flowers with the greens. So I'm going to do multi-layers. And you want to make sure that you get the sides really well because you do see the sides on the bottle. This one is called Fairy Wings. So this is a Sparks paint also, so it adds like a sparkly effect. And this just enhances the first coat that I put on. So you get that multicolored effect again. These paints and everything I use is going to be in the description, so please check back there so you can see exactly what I used. Now I'm adding the Sparks gold paint to the entire flower. This just makes it shine so beautifully, and it changes the whole effect of the colors. The gold just enhances it, and you'll see the difference in just a second, what it looks like with the gold and without. The gold is optional. You don't have to add that layer, but I just love it. And here you can see all of them painted. The little skulls I pulled out of the mold, I just painted just in the gold like I did with the chain. Now I am still able to curve those molds and shape them so that they fit nicely onto the bottle. Now I'm applying glue. I use super glue for this because super glue holds really fast, but I just dab because it's very runny. I don't want it running down the bottle or anything like that, so I'm just dabbing it on. But I prefer this glue because it just holds really fast so I can keep working. But you can certainly use any glue that you prefer. And you want to make sure you get all those little extra details like the little flower buds and the leaves nicely so they stick. Sometimes they don't stick as well if you don't make sure you get enough glue on everything. Now I'm adding the chain to the top. I cut the chain with a craft knife to size and adding that as well. And I really love how that adds a cool Halloween effect in a way. And now my skulls. The skulls I placed on the flowers kind of where I wanted them, and now I'm just gluing them down. And this adds that sort of Halloween style. And they still look elegant because I've, of course, put a metallic paint on them, and they look really, really nice. And you can add as many as you like and as many flowers as you like. And here they are, all glued down, ready to go. I just love how these look. Now, when I put the lights inside, you can still see through the flowers somewhat, or the light still shines through, not see through, but they shine through. And that gives a really, really neat effect. I'm just using lights from the craft store that I found there for bottles specifically. And then I added a pretty silky bow at the top. So like I said before, this can be, the same idea can be used for Christmas because we have Christmas molds. You can do it for spring, for Easter, anything. It just adds like a really cool ambiance effect throughout your decor. These would look so beautiful on tables, on your kitchen counter, anywhere you want to just add a little glow of light. So I hope you enjoyed today's DIY, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and please subscribe and follow us. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more DIY inspiration and furniture projects to come.